speakers for this month's presentation, and I'm going to introduce you to the theme of the talk and the speakers for today. As you must have guessed from the title of our talk, Bodybuilding and Building Bodies, we are going to discuss ways to make our bodies stronger, healthier, and more resilient. We will have 3 speakers today, all of whom are grad students in different departments at Yale. Our first speaker will be Brooks. Brooks is an MD PhD student in the Yale School of Medicine. Brooks is interested in the effects of exercise on health and body function. Brooks has a lot of experience in this area. In fact, he used to be the personal trainer for the speechwriter for Bill and Melinda Gates. Our second speaker will be Olivia. Olivia is from the Molecular, Cellular, and Developmental Biology department. Olivia's research involves understanding the role of fat cells in our bodies in the process of wound healing. Apart from science, Olivia is also passionate about Star Trek, the original series. Our third and final speaker for today will be Andy. Andy is from the Mechanical Engineering and Materials Science department. Andy's research involves manipulating robots, particularly robotic hands, about which we will hear a lot today. Andy is severely red-green colorblind, along with 50% of the males in his family. Now, coming back to the theme of the talk, we will be brainstorming ways of building better bodies. Our speakers, coming from 3 different but complementary areas of expertise, will update us on where we are in our current understanding of the human body and how far we can go in applying it. Here's a really cool and futuristic illustration of a body with several enhancements done to it, and we're going to use this to illustrate the topics that we will discuss. In the first part of the talk, Brooks will tell us how exercise strengthens and optimizes function of our bones, muscles, and other body organs. In the second part of the talk, Olivia will tell us how our bodies repair themselves when damaged, and what we can learn from animals that repair and regenerate body parts much better than humans can. And in the last part of the talk, we will hear from Andy about how we can use technologies external to the body and principles of robotics to replace lost function or augment already existing function. After hearing from all 3 speakers, we're going to open up the floor for questions. Just a couple of more things before we get started. The handouts provided to you have keywords from the talk that you can refer to. We also provided surveys. We would love to have your feedback. And there are snacks at the back, so please help yourselves. So without further ado, I'll call Brooks to start the talk.